Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to screencast to TV. This is very easy. Connect your phone and your TV to the same Wi-Fi network and open Quick Settings by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings panel. Look for the icon that looks like a big screen. Tap here. Press the Settings button to redirect you to Settings. A list of nearby devices will pop up. Tap on the name of your TV. Your phone will instantly cast its screen to your TV. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.